You're going down. I don't know what this is.
Hard to pronounce city names.
This is a competition of who's gonna suck more.
दूध का दूध and पानी का पानी will be done right here, right now.
Abhishek, if we don't like the question, we're gonna mute you.
नहीं मैंने तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं and then first. This is Preeti. Oh my god.
I should have stuck with my instinct, man.
क्योंकि पोपट हो जाएगा फिर बाद में. That's what I said. You didn't hear me properly or what?
I demand options.
हमारा बहुत ही लो बजट शो है, ये बिल्कुल भी केबीसी नहीं है। हम लोगों को बुलाते हैं, हम उनको पैसे भी नहीं देते हैं, हम उनसे काम भी करवाते हैं, हम उनसे शूट भी करवाते हैं। So look who we have today, two of India's leading travel bloggers, जिन्होंने दुनिया तो वैसे बहुत देखी हुई है, लेकिन आज हॉट सीट में है, तो हम चेक करने वाले हैं कि कितनी दुनिया देखी है या फिर कितनी दुनिया सुनी है।
पहले तो we don't even know what you have planned for us. I don't even know what this place is gonna be like, and my geography knowledge is rubbish.
I wish I could be all competitive and be like Preeti, you don't have this, I got this. I can't. क्योंकि पोपट हो जाएगा फिर बाद में. This is the competition of who's gonna suck more.
Yeah. So we're on the same page basically.
मुद्दे की बात पे आते हैं. So the theme for today is hard to pronounce city names. जो मैं बात कर रहा था कि यार घूमा तो बहुत है लेकिन सुना कितना है, तो देखा तो बहुत है, सुना कितना है, वो अभी यहीं के यहीं दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी will be done right here, right now.
I am such a like phonetics driven pronouncer, so मैं तो मतलब there's no way. Go for it.
I get to make a fool of myself first. Great.
Please make a big fool out of yourself so that I can.
You look like a lesser fool in comparison.
Okay, so here you go.
Oh God, no idea.
I don't know what this is.
I don't know where it is also.
I think it's in Slovenia.
Tuj.
Yeah, it probably said Tuj. Taj.
Like Tushi.
Tui. Because sometimes J is like year, na?
Preeti, how do you know it's Slovenia?
Oh, geography is actually very good. She's lying. I see what you're doing there. I see what you're doing. You're like a student at an exam. नहीं मैंने तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं and then first. This is Preeti. Oh my God, she's scheming.
No, I'll tell you why. Because Ljubljana is in Slovenia, right? So I just figured like they have a J and there's a J in this. So like, Tai is like Tai. Is it Tui? I don't know.
There are so many possible pronunciations. I demand options.
Sorry, not happening. ना ही हमारे शो का उतना बजट है कि हम केबीसी टाइप पैसे दे सकते हैं, और ना ही उतना बजट है कि हम केबीसी टाइप ऑप्शन बना सकते हैं. हमारी बहुत ही छोटी सी टीम है जो रिसर्च भी करती है, जो प्री प्रोडक्शन भी करती है, जो फंबल्स भी करती है, जो एडिटिंग भी करती है, जो सोशल मीडिया भी संभालती है. सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज.
Okay. Tuj. I mean, I know that's wrong, but.
I think I'm gonna go with Taj.
प्रीति, आप थोड़ा सा पास पहुंच गए थे, थोड़ा सा, but then you took the wrong turn. So
Tui.
is there, but Patui.
Patui. It's like someone's spitting.
Patui or maybe Patui, that I'm not really sure, but
Oh.
yeah, what it is.
Tui. Shit, I'm just stuck with my instinct, man.
Tucson.
I'm so bad at this. I'm just waiting for one city that I know really well that I hope you would put in your questions. Tucson.
Oh no.
Is this Italy? It sounds like it's Italian, but I don't think it is.
No, that is Tuscany.
I know, Tuscany. I think कुछ ऐसे ही होगा.
Okay, so we have a point finally. Preeti, you won it. It's actually Tucson, man.
Well
मैं बता रहा हूँ, you got it right. शी इज वन ऑफ दोस कि मैं कुछ पढ़ के नहीं आई हूँ.
Oh God, this is just beginner's luck or something, okay?
जितनी जल्दी 200 निकला था ना, उसी से पता चल गया था कि ये क्लास में वो वाले बच्चे होते हैं ना, सबसे पहले हाथ उठाते हैं. मुझे पता है, मुझे आई नो. वो हमें 200 से पता चल गया.
Isn't it Krabi? I've always thought it's Krabi.
Yeah, even I'm gonna go with Krabi.
I've only been to the Eastern Islands and Krabi's in the west. Hey, do I get points for that geography? It's on the western side of the island.
So final Krabi.
Yeah.
Okay, so both of you are right, but not in this world, in a parallel world. In this world, it's not Krabi, it's Grabi.
Krabi.
What? G? But that's what I said. You didn't hear me properly or what?
Oh,
I
seriously?
said Krabi.
Acha. Is it?
Yeah.
I think again some network fault maybe. जहाँ क बन गया ग.
Oh, you're not able to understand my pronunciation. Come on. Arey yaar, why are you not asking the question I want?
Where is this?
I think you've been to that continent and the country.
It looks like Ubir.
Is this how the brand name came about?
It can be. I'm not saying
Sure.
it will.
Where?
Yeah.
Where? I think I'll go with Ubir.
Ubi, without the R. In the dark.
नहीं, शरण्या से कंफर्म करना होगा विद एंड विदाउट, बिकॉज बाद में पता चलेगा कि मैंने वही बोला था यार, तुमने सुना नहीं.
Without the R, Ubi.
शरण्या, अगर आप किसी पार्टी में हो एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर बियर और आपको बियर नहीं मिल रही और अचानक से एक वेटर ऐसे जाते हुए आपको दिखे, तो आप क्या कहोगे? मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप कहोगे बियर. सो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. बियर. I was actually expecting कि this is gonna be a close call and this is a close call क्योंकि अभी तक सिर्फ 1-0 स्कोर चल रहा है.
मेरा अकाउंट ही नहीं खुला है.
So bad at this. Abhishek, if we don't like the question, we're gonna mute you.
Seriously?
Yeah.
अच्छा, एक काम करते हैं, एकदम सिंपल वाला दे. ये तो पता ही होगा यार. अब ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल.
Hey, we'll go both get the point.
Both get
ये
the
तो
Very simple. Yosemite. They know. Next.
I, for one, used to call it Yosemite or Yosemite for the longest period of time. I got to know from a friend itself who visited over there and we were having some conversation और तब पता चला.
This one's funny. I really want to say Katta.
can't be katta. Like, I don't think they pronounce it like that all the time.
I think I'll go with Bhutta. Like Bhutta.
ठीक है, फाइनल आंसर.
Huh? Like I have no idea. I'm shooting in the dark.
Yeah, I mean, gonna go with kutta only.
ठीक है. So finally the two of you are right and in this universe. So yes, the answer is Putta. This is actually in Coorg, on the border of Coorg and Wayanad. तो एकदम border district में पड़ता है. And the first time, so second time I went and stayed over there in a homestay. But first time we were just passing through Nagarhole National Park and then I saw the board. Kutta 25 kilometers. तो yeah, for हमारे लिए तो बहुत टाइम तक ये कुत्ता ही था until we visited and we realized it is Kutta.
See, Edinburgh is a similar spelling, but it's Edinburgh. But I don't know if it's Marlborough. Okay, I'm just gonna go with Marlborough.
Marlborough.
Same.
Yeah, I think it can be anything. Yeah.
It's Marlborough.
What the hell?
P-R-U-H. M-A-A-B-R-U-H. Marlborough.
Damn it! It looks like Thames, but it's not Thames.
I'm not sure. I know it's not Thames, but I'm not sure.
You know?
I think I'm definitely sure it's not Thames.
I'm not sure if the S is silent or not. I think it's Thames.
The river, right? It's the river in London that goes to London.
I'll go with Tham, yaar. ठीक है. Let's see.
Is it? Time. Time.
Final.
Yeah.
Fine.
Don't let us overthink this.
So it's
Yeah, we got it done. Huh?
It's what?
Say that again.
TEMZ. It's TEMZ.
Did not know that. I don't know why I registered it the other way around.
Same, like we went ulta.
And this happened to me once. We were walking by River Thames, okay, to see the London Bridge opening and closing. And we asked for chips and we got this massive like pocket of fries and we were like, oh yeah, you don't say chips for chips, you say chips for fries.
Yeah.
You say crisps.
Crisps.
Yeah. Correct, that's what happened. Yeah, that was quite
The most
funny.
shocking thing when I went to London, I said the word thrice. Okay, and that's not a word in their dictionary. They started laughing at me and I was like, dude, we follow British English, it's definitely a word.
I thought we would have picked that up from them only.
We probably did, we just didn't get rid of it. That's all.
Guys, so if you go to London and you want fries, you say chips. And if you want chips, you say crisps. And you do not say fries.
So we have a winner and the very first episode of So You Think You Travel ka winner is Preeti Patha Sathe.
Front bencher, liar, who knows everything.
Preeti, speech.
I can only give an acceptance speech when I accept something, so I want my prize first, Abhishek, and then I will be very happy to give an acceptance speech.
मैंने शो के स्टार्ट में भी बोला, मैं शो के एंड में भी सेम चीज बोल रहा हूँ. हमारा बहुत ही लो बजट शो है. ये बिल्कुल भी केबीसी नहीं. हम लोगों को बुलाते हैं, हम उनको पैसे भी नहीं देते हैं, हम उनसे काम भी करवाते हैं, हम उनसे शूट भी करवाते हैं. लेकिन having said that, see, the one thing that you will get out of it is that you are going in the history books. First ever untravel show के So You Think You Travel segment की first ever winner. देखो first सबको याद रहता है. I don't know if you guys remember or not. मुझे KBC का अभी भी first करोड़पति का नाम पता है. तो I think उससे बड़ा रिवॉर्ड मैं क्या दे सकता हूँ.
I'm so honored.
He deserves a return ticket to Tucson.
Correct.
So as you can see, I lost, but हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. So why don't you just go and
Like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends so that they can all see what absolute klutzes we are and how amazing our knowledge of pronunciations is. अगर आप इस गेम में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हो तो बहुत सिंपल है. बस ये बताओ कि इस जगह का नाम कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. आप नीचे कमेंट्स में बता सकते हो, इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी पे टैग कर सकते हो या डीएम कर देना. अगर आज मजा आया हो तो लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब ये भी कर ही देना यार. मैं मिलता हूँ अगले हफ्ते. तब तक के लिए बी काइंड, बी थैंकफुल एंड बी हैप्पी.